Hi, I'm Jack from legalexpert.co.uk. We are personal injury claims specialists. We're open 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, and we offer a no-win, no-fee service. Today, I'm going to be looking at how much compensation you may be entitled to for injuries to the spleen if you've been involved in an accident which was due to the negligence of others. If you like this video, please do hit that thumbs up button, as this will help us see what type of content people find helpful. The spleen is a fist-sized organ used to filter our blood and can be found in the upper left of our abdomen, right next to our stomach and behind our left ribs. And whilst it's possible to survive without one, they form a very important part of our immune system by fighting invading germs in the blood and controlling the level of blood cells whilst removing any damaged or old red blood cells. If your spleen becomes damaged, your risk of infection grows. It's possible that your spleen could be damaged in a number of different types of accidents, including, but by no means limited to, road traffic accidents or accidents at work. And if you've been involved in an accident which wasn't your fault that has resulted in an injury to your spleen, you may be entitled to compensation. In order to give you an idea of just how much you might be able to claim, I'll shortly be going over our spleen injury compensation claims table, but it's important that you bear in mind that these figures are the amounts for your injuries alone and do not include any additional sums which will most likely be included as part of your compensation for things like expenses and any loss of income from time off work. So let's take a look at the table. In front of us we have the table for spleen injury compensation amount, and in the top category, that is for a traumatic injury, a penetrating injury of the severe severity, you can expect to receive anything from £34,280 all the way up to £49,350. This is severe injuries with both pains and serious discomfort. Then for severe non-penetrating injury of a serious severity, this will cause long-term and serious injury, you could expect to receive anything from £13,380 all the way up to £22,130. Then industrial lacerations or stab wounds, once again of a serious severity. This is a serious stab injury or deep lacerations causing internal damage. You could expect to receive anything from £5,280 all the way up to £10,040. Then loss of the spleen. This is a serious severity. You could expect to receive anything from £16,580 all the way up to £20,950. This is where there is long-term risk of infection and the immune system is damaged. Then finally, loss of the spleen, moderate severity. This is similar to the above but much less serious consequences, and you could expect to receive anything from £3,470 all the way up to £6,890. I'd like to once again emphasise that these figures are for your spleen injuries only and do not include the compensation from any loss of income from time off work or any other expenses you've incurred or may incur as part of your compensation sum, which means that the final compensation claim amount is likely to be larger. But in order to get a fuller idea of how much compensation you may be entitled to, we recommend that you reach out to a personal injury claims specialist. The good news for you is that legalexpert.co.uk offers a completely free consultation where we'll talk through the accident with you to help you establish what your options are. You can speak to us whenever you'd like, as we're open 24 hours a day, 7 days a week on 0800 652 7676 or visit our around-the-clock live chat service at legalexpert.co.uk. We'll be able to use our compensation calculator, which includes a number of different sub-calculators, including a workplace injury compensation calculator, to give you a good idea of how much you may be entitled to in total. Following this consultation, if we believe that we're able to assist you in bringing a claim, we may offer to represent you on a no-win, no-fee basis. Now, what this means for you is that there won't be any upfront fees to worry about, and if your claim was to lose, then there's not a penny to pay. Once again, if you found this video helpful, we really appreciate it if you could hit that like button, as this will help us see what type of content people find helpful. Thanks. Of course, the circumstances of each incident are never the same, and whether or not you believe you have a valid claim, it's always advisable that you speak to an expert on the matter. So if you'd like further assistance, we are personal injury claims specialists. We offer free, Friendly advice on no win, no fee compensation claims, so there's not a penny to pay if you lose. Get the maximum compensation that you deserve. We're rated 4.8 out of 5 stars, and we have specialist solicitors with up to 30 years experience. It'll only take just a couple of minutes for our team, who'll be happy to answer any questions you may have to help establish whether or not you have a valid claim. Call now on 0800 652 7676 or visit our live chat service at legalexpert.co.uk. Don't forget to subscribe, as we'll be uploading helpful videos just like this one on a regular basis. You can also check out one of our recommended videos or head over to legalexpert.co.uk, where you can read community questions on our forum, get free advice from our live chat, read articles and seek assistance for compensation on a no-win, no-fee basis with your personal injury claim.